Are you getting the restricted "you cannot use TikTok because it is restricted" error on your iPhone? No need to worry. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to remove this restriction from your TikTok account and get it working again. Let's dive in and get started. Solution 1. Turn off TikTok screen time. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone. Tap the profile icon at the bottom. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find the Screen Time option. Tap on Screen Time, then tap Daily Screen Time. You'll see the Screen Time Limit toggle. Make sure to toggle it off. If the issue persists, try the next solution. Solution 2. Turn off restrictions in screen time. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down again and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now toggle Content and Privacy Restrictions to Off. If TikTok is still restricted, move on to the next solution. Solution 3. Turn off Downtime. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, tap on Downtime. Now tap Turn off Downtime. After completing this step, go back and open the TikTok app to check if the restriction has been removed. That's it. I hope these solutions help you fix the restriction issue on TikTok. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.